Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Speak English with Ratan. Through this blog, we will not only enjoy the beauty of nature, but also learn how to think in English and describe the scenic beauty and the different situations in English. You can see over there, the Siang River is flowing between the green mountains gracefully and the scenic beauty of Siang Valley. I can feel here a gentle breeze is blowing, creating a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere around me. Soothing sound of flowing water, the chirping of birds, and the breathtaking scenery of natural beauty makes me feel calm, relaxed, and refreshed. After watching the ripples moving on the surface of the river, you can understand how profound the river is. It is flowing with a strong and powerful force. The scenery of the river is really captivating. However, despite of its captivating scenery, it can be dangerous if anyone falls into it. I think it would be very difficult to survive because of its strong current and large boulders and rocks hidden under the water. I would like to mention that serving one's own country is a great honor and a noble responsibility. Along with this privilege, we have this opportunity to spend time in such a surroundings of beautiful nature, which brings peace, joy and happiness in our lives. In today's hectic schedules and chaotic world, places like this remind us to slow down and sit down quietly and try to connect with ourselves, which will bring peace and happiness in our life. Thank you for watching. Keep improving your fluency. See you in the next video.